Oi guys. Well, today is an interesting day. Today we're going flying. Today it's going to be a bit of a mixed up day. So we're going to go and do a viaduct in a ruined manor, but I'm not sure yet. It's just going to be one of those days where I'll play it by ear. And I was going to do a video about ND filters, but as you can probably see, it's pretty grey. Don't really have a topic for today. Today is just enjoy flying. It's early, as always, but before we start, I think we need to get one of these. And there we have it. Loads of sausage, loads of bacon, brown sauce. Don't put red on it. Oi, oi. Well, it looks like I'm immune today, which is a bit of a shame, but yeah, something's come up with Geordie, so he's not being able to come along. So, we're going solo. Haven't done this for a while. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Hey, the conga tree. Well, at the moment, I'm in the Don't Walk Country Park. So we're going to go to the 9 Arches Viaduct. It's about a 10 minutes walk. There's a river Derwent. Yeah, so we're going to the 9 Arches Viaduct, and then once we've gone over that, we can go up to Hornside Manor, which is an old manor house that's now lying very much in ruins. I'm not going to waffle on anymore, and you're probably sick of my voice already. Well, just arrived at Hornside Manor, and it was a bit of a trek. I'm sweating like no end, and when I've got here, it's all just, well, I'll show you. The whole surroundings is just covered in nettles. Looks pretty cool. Very small, and yeah, lots and lots of nettles. Vlog a live video. There we go. Everyone say hi to the vlog. Well then, the purpose of today's vlog was going to be how to use ND filters, but the sun obviously hasn't played ball, so I have used an ND filter. I've used an ND8 filter. Now what that does, that allows us to fix the shutter speed when I'm recording at 60 FPS, 2.7K on the GoPro Hero5 Black. Allows us to fix the shutter speed of 1/120th, which follows the 180 degree rule. And basically what that means is that the shutter is fixed, so it's not going to start flapping about trying to adjust depending on if it's light or dark and if you go in a shaded area or whatever. And it basically just gives you a more consistent feeling video. As if the shutter speed goes too slow, everything starts to go all dreamlike and whooshy and very motion blurry. And if the shutter speed's too fast, everything looks very harsh and tense. So we'll go for 180 degrees, which is effectively double on the small number, the number after the forward slash. And that enables your video to just look consistent and nice. With a little bit of motion blur, but not too much motion blur, but not so little motion blur that it looks horrible and all tense. But yeah, that was going to be the purpose of my video. But that being said, so I've now changed my mind. Today's video is instead going to be about when you fly on your own. Now, I wasn't supposed to be flying on my own, but it ended up happening. So obviously I've got my spotter Johnny here. Say hi, Johnny. Hi, Johnny. So you get to a spot on your own, you think, I don't have the skills, I'm scared. What if my quad goes down and I lose it? So just for a bit of a laugh, I started live streaming. And we've got a few people watching. And I got to a spot and I thought, nah, this isn't happening. But then something pretty cool happened actually. And basically everyone started saying, no, go on Steve, you can do it. You can do that. Well yeah, you don't have to, you don't have to power loop the viaduct. You just go and do one line, just go and hit it, it's line of sight. Yeah, it might be over trees and lots of big trees and a river, but you fly further than this. Just do it. So I did, and I live streamed it. I'm pretty happy I did, to be honest. So yeah, so the message from today is, if you're on your own, stick a live stream on. Everyone will encourage you, and you might just end up with some decent footage. But anyway, I'm off to a different spot now, and yeah, see you soon.
Back and break for break till the skyscraper splits. Open your eyelids, 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 straight from the sewer, it's live and be rolling, turn them lights down, coping with the vibes, something new. I told them break out, bring the ruckus. It's MC Black Daniels, y'all ain't know how we living. State of my mind is hard to define this when they promote blindness to reach for your sinus. Level up the cause and who masterminded mistake weak for kindness in times of the crisis.
The face tracks here for the focus eye. Oi, so just called in to say oi to Adzo, and he persuaded us to go and fly Adzo's crane. So we're gonna have the third spot of today. Only the third pack. I feel like I've done more walking and driving than I have flying. But yeah, just ripped the crane. I didn't crash. Didn't crash, mate. Unreal. Getting to another spot now. Right. So, just come up to Chopwell, meet up with Mark and Tony and Nate. Nate. And fourth spot of the day. And yeah, we're going to have a little blast through these trees, and Mark is kind enough, he's going to let us fly a plus frame made by Francis. And yeah, I've never flown a plus frame before, so this should be pretty interesting. So boys and girls, that's it. The end of a great day's flying. We've yeah, what we'll learn today, a few things. Sometimes it doesn't work out and you've got to go to a different spot. But if you keep trying, you'll get there, man. You can still have fun. I've done 4 spots today. I've probably only flown 8 packs. But another thing, FPV friends are great. You know, they encourage you to do things, get you out of the house, push you to go outside your comfort zone and learn some stuff, you know what I mean? Might even let us fly his plus drone. How cool is that? But yeah, anyway, we'll see you in the next one.